Welcome to the new PrimaryPad Pro, the real-time collaborative document editor for education. Let's sign up. Here you need to enter your full name, your email address and your school details. Once you've done this, press Create New Pro Account. Once you've activated your account, log in and choose your account from the list. Here you'll see the new dashboard. Let's take a tour. Here you'll see the new navigation bar. Here you can create a new pad just by entering the pad name and pressing Create New Pad. You can clear the pad name by pressing the cross. This shows a list of your recent pads. Once you've created new pads, they'll be shown here. This is how you get to the home page. This is the page you're currently on. Here's how you get to the My Account section, where you can view and edit your user account settings and the current pro domain. This is where you get to Pad Management, where you can view all your pads. Here's where you get to your Account Admin, where you can manage your domain. Notifications and warnings will appear in the next two boxes. These are things such as subscription renewals and any other information we need to let you know about. If you hover over the arrow on the side there, you'll see recent pads and all your pro accounts. Let's create a new pad. Here you can see the new PrimaryPad editor. Let's change some text. We can make it bold, italic, underlined, or strike through. We could also order it in a numbered list, a bullet pointed list, indent it, and remove the indent. We can undo all our changes, or redo changes. When you write something, it assigns you a colour. If you wish to remove all these colours, you can press the Clear Authorship Colours button. This will clear all the colours for all authors. Let's change the font size. We've got an option between 6 headers. And press the Help button to show what each button does. The options at the top here, you can change the pad to private or public, and you can also assign a password. Let's create a list with someone else. Here you can see we're writing a list about animals and vegetables, and we've got Mark on with us. You can chat on the right hand side of the page, and we can also ask questions. Once we're happy with our document, we can export it to various file types such as Microsoft Word, HTML, plain text, PDF, Open Document and DocuWiki text. You can also import. PrimaryPad also makes it easy to go back in time and view your previous changes. Here you can see we can go right back to the start. You can also save revisions by pressing the star. Oh dear, tomato's not a vegetable. There are various other options we can change, such as removing the chat, removing authorship colours, and removing line numbers. You also have the choice of 2 fonts, either normal or monospace. You can share pads by clicking the Share Pad button and copying the link, or copying the embed code and pasting it to PrimaryBlogger or another resource. You can also choose Read Only. And here's how it looks. You can also minimise the admin bar, giving you more space for your pads. Here's the My Account page where you can change your full name, and your password. The My Account page also shows your subscription details, allows you to delete your account and change your school details. Let's change our school. Next, let's look at the PADS page. Here you can see the PAD name, how many revisions it has, when it was last edited, how many users currently on the document. You can set a password, change it to public or private, view it read only. Let's set a password. You can also remove the password by pressing the same button. Here's the PAD authors, and we can also delete the PAD. We can also search for PADs using the search box above the list. And finally, here we have the account admin page, where you can add new users, new admins, and change details. We hope you'll enjoy the new PrimaryPad Pro. If you've got any questions, go to support.primaryt.co.uk.